Hello guys, I hope you're all doing great. In this tutorial, I will show you how to change screen lock and sleep mode in Windows 11. Are you ready? So let's get started. Go to start menu and click on setting. Okay. Then after that, click on system. Here we have an option which is power and battery. Okay, click on that. And then after that, here screen, sleep and hibernate timeouts. So click on that. As you can see here, turn my screen off after. Here you can change the time, yeah, 5 minutes, 5 hours, 4 hours, however you want. I have chosen never. Okay, you can choose 5. After 5 minutes it should be, for example, off your screen. And yeah, here you can change if it is plugged in, you can change the setting. If it is on battery, you can change, yeah, that's how you can change the sleep and hibernate timeouts of your screen in Windows 11. Thank you guys for watching, and if you like the video, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. See you in the next video.